So if we look at problem number 1, so this is chapter 5, we put together eighth, a fourth, and a half. So let's think of them all as eighths. So we'll think of this as a half pound is 4/8, fourth of a pound is 2/8, and the 1/8. So if we put all these together, 1, 2, and 4, we get 7/8. So the rat weighs 7/8. Okay, so if we have this difference between 4 and 3/8 and 6 and a fourth, what I like to do is, well, how much would it take to get to the next full pound? So it'd be 5/8 gets us to 5, and then one more gets us to 6, and then a fourth. So we have 5/8 plus 1 plus a fourth. But a fourth is 2/8, a 2/8 and 5/8, 7/8, so it looks like 1 and 7/8. Let's see if that makes sense. So if we add 2 to this, it would be 6 and 3/8, which is just 1/8 more. So we take away the eighth. So that looks like the right answer. How many ounces do we have to add here? So look at how they've tricked you. They said ounces, and these are pounds. So if you think about this, 7/8 of a pound is 14 ounces. So this is 1 pound and 14 ounces. And this is 2 pounds. And an eighth of a pound is 2 out of 16. So this is 2 pounds, 2 ounces. So now it's not so hard. You say, well, I take 2 ounces to get to 2 pounds and 2 more ounces to get there. So altogether, 4 ounces. See how we did that? So change pounds to ounces, 7/8, 14 ounces. Each eighth is 2 ounces. Okay, so if we look at this one, we see that 1/2000th of a ton, there's 2,000 pounds in a ton, 2,000 pounds. So it's 2,000 out of 2,000, which is just 1 pound. 3 gallons. 1 gallon is like 4 quarts, and each quart is 2 pints. So we do 4 quarts times 2 is 8 pints. So then how many pints do we have here? We have 3 times 8, 24 pints. So if there's 1 pint on this side, we need 23 more. So we need 23.